What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. My Winter Beater 23 group build kit is done. I'm done with my entry, my Sonoma. I'm not going to show it. All I have to do is edit it all together and then post it, but I'm not going to do that yet. I'm not going to share it yet because there's still a couple of people out there. The only two people that entered, Richie Speed Shop and Edward Hood, with a Pinto and a GMC. You guys are both still in process. That's fine, no pressure. Find my email and send me an email if you can, please. I'd like to chat briefly. And this kit will be being seen on the channel soon. It's all done, it's built, it's mudded and dirty and old and beatered, and that's about it. So again, Richie Speed Shop and Edward Hood, send me an email about your kit, and we'll see where we're at and how much longer we go, and go from there. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. I know this doesn't mean anything to most of you that didn't take part in the build off, but the video pictures will be coming soon. Thanks for watching.